Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to separate drum sound in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to open up the CapCut application, open the project that you are working on, and then select the video where you would like to separate the drum sound. So when you select a video, this menu is going to show up on the bottom of the screen and you have to tap on Separate Audio. And then you can select drums or bass or instruments or guitar or strings or even others. And when you select the option, you just have to tap on separate and it is going to separate it for you instantly. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.